Welcome to Web Handling. My name is Dave Roisum. In this first clip in the series, we introduce many myths found in several important areas of web handling. Our motivations for this series is to first be aware of floor folklore that is commonly found in plants throughout the world. Of course, you undoubtedly have many others that are unique to your particular plant, or perhaps to the beliefs of but a single person in your plant. Once we find these myths, we will want to replace them with science. Of course, this is a never-ending project like many other parts of our job. The good news is there is a simple remedy that we will offer in the last clip. The reason that we want to make these efforts to identify and root out myths is that they cost money. We waste time and material when we make the wrong moves based on the wrong beliefs. As Artemis Ward so aptly puts it, it ain't so much the things we don't know that gets us into trouble, it's the things we know that just ain't so. We could use the word fallacy as a more precise description of what we've so far called a myth. To be brutally honest, what a fallacy is an error in thinking. Of course, we can't be so abrupt when working with others, even though we should recognize the problem for what it is. In fact, it will be even harder for us to recognize these very same problems in ourselves. We won't go into detail into the many types of fallacies. They are well covered in Module 57 of my problem-solving course and Chapter 3 of my critical thinking book, as well as elsewhere. I will just call attention to just one as an illustration. That is the fallacy of the general rule. What this means that sometimes the rule holds, but there are enough important exceptions that blindly following the guideline can get you into much trouble. Let us use the "do you want it fast" or "do you want it good" generalization used by many operators. It is true that some waste and delay may increase with speed. However, it is equally true that some waste and delay will actually decrease with speed. One example from web handling is that speeding up from 15 to 50 meters per minute may clear wrinkles. See Modules 2 and 9 of my Web 101 for more details. However, what is more often true is that most cases of waste and delay are largely unaffected by speed. So what can we look forward to in upcoming clips? We will cover many common myths in some vital areas of web handling, including rollers, tension control, winding, and wrinkling. Thank you so very much for watching this module in my Plant Practical series. Please stay tuned as we continue our efforts in myth busting.